Hi, I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal magazine, and this is a handy organizer for drill bits and other drilling accessories. Let me show you how to make it. We base the dimensions of this organizer around these two packages of brad point bits from Fish. I just love Fish bits, and I don't know of a higher quality drill bit on the market. Which is why we came up with this drill bit organizer. When you have bits of this quality, you want them close at hand and kept safe. Plus, I know where my chuck key is and some common accessories. So let me show you how we built this handy little unit. But first, let me tell you that there's a downloadable PDF with technical drawings and a material list for this project in the details below. All of the parts of the organizer are easy to prepare on the table saw. You can make this project from any species you prefer. I used various scraps I found in our shop. One of the pieces has a section cut out, and you can make that possible by drilling out the corners of the openings. Now we have a couple of machining steps to do to the base. First, I'm going to route out the tray depression with a bowl routing bit. As you can see, a vacuum close at hand is useful. Back at the drill press, it's time to bore openings to mount rare earth magnets into the base. They are the key feature of the organizer. Many projects I work on require a selection of drill bits to complete the task. With these magnets in place, you can select the bits you need, lay them on the organizer, and they will be quick to hand and they will never roll off. The sharp ends of the bits are away from you. These Fish bits are super sharp and the bits are easy to grab. Now it's time to do some assembly. As you can see, I did a bit more work on the drill press to complete my prep work. Now we need to glue the blocks in place. So that's it. I drilled 4 more holes in the corners underneath and mounted soft rubber feet to the bottom, and the organizer is done. I hope you enjoyed today's video, maybe learned a couple of things. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal. Keep on making sawdust.